नमस्कार, मैं हूँ शिखा शर्मा। रिसेंटली सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक वर्डिक्ट दिया कि स्ट्रे डॉग्स को दिल्ली की स्ट्रीट से हटा दिया जाए। आई एम रियली शॉक्ड बिकॉज यही उनका होम है, स्ट्रीट डॉग्स का होम वही है। एंड हाउ कैन अ हिंदू कंट्री डिपिक्टिंग हिंदू गवर्नमेंट कैन गिव सच काइंड ऑफ वर्डिक्ट्स बिकॉज dogs has spiritual importance. It's a mount of Lord Bhairava, and even a story in ancient times related to Mahabharata, where a Yudhishthir does not enter the Swarg without his dog as his loyal companion. He does not enter, he refused to enter the Swarg. And he only entered when, they allowed a dog with him. So, dog is always predicted in Hinduism as a protector and a guidance. And they have great sixth sense. They are great friends to human. So why such kind of verdict Supreme Court दे रही है? I'm actually very sad and emotional on the fact because I love dogs to the core of my heart and I'm really not happy about it. सत्ता आज किसी की है, कल किसी की है, पावर आज किसी के पास है, कल किसी के पास है. That is not a permanent thing at all. But this verdict is inhuman, against the animals who cannot even speak and take stands for themselves. So it's really inhuman and it's too much. And because I know I'm from Delhi, I know there are no as such shelters who can give the space to these 3 lakhs dogs on the streets. At least before giving a verdict, government and the Supreme Court should act and do something which is not being harmful to these animals, because it's really inhumane. And I'm a dog lover, and I believe in Lord Shiva. It's a mount of Lord Bhairav. I just pray that this inhuman verdict should be removed, and some other things and other measures should be taken if you are afraid of getting cut and rabies. But every dog is not doing that. You can remove such kind of dogs if you have complaints around them. But every dog, you cannot say that every dog do the same. So I hope that this thing is considered, and lots of people are protesting. My friends out there are protesting, and I'm with them, and I'm with these dogs who cannot speak for themselves. And may God give you senses to think straight. Namo Parvate Pate, Har Har Mahadev.